Hello, today we're going to assemble the Ikea lap table. My name is Shai and this is my lovely assistant Chia. The Ikea lap table comes with a tabletop. We chose this color. It has 4 legs and 4 screws. So first let's open the plastic wrap. It's a good idea to work on a mat. This way things won't get scratched up. Okay, this is a tabletop. You can see it. It has 4 holes in the corners. I'm going to use these holes to put the screws in. We have the 4 screws in this box. And we have 4 legs. Okay, first things first. See these screws? We're going to screw one end into one hole. Like so. Just a bit, and you see it stands up by itself. See, Chia? Now we're going to take one of these legs. It has a hole in the bottom also. We're going to put the screw inside this hole and twist it. In the beginning, the twisting is very easy. As we go further up, it'll be tighter and tighter. Towards the end, we'll slow down with the screwing, and we will listen and feel for one of the table legs, such as the tabletop. When that happens, we'll just screw the leg just a bit more in order to have it straighten up with the tabletop. Okay. Okay, so now we're pretty close, so we're going to slow down a bit. Now, the camera can't hear, but now I just heard that the leg is touching the table. Wasn't. Now it is. The leg is touching the table, and I'm going to twist it just a bit more to align it with the table. Okay, that's the first leg. We have 3 more to go, and then the table will be done. So we screw in just a bit, so it can stand up by itself. Just try and make it straight as much as you can. There's the hole. I'm going to put the screw inside the hole and start twisting. This table is pretty easy to assemble. I think it's one of the easiest ones. Okay, now I just heard that the leg touches the tabletop. Screw it just a bit more. Okay. 2 down and 2 to go. here's a tip. If you're doing it by yourself, like I am, it's easy to have it next to a wall. So when you start twisting the leg of the table, it doesn't screw away from you. Come here, Chia. She is checking out to see if I'm doing a good job on that. Okay, I'm going to slow down. I haven't heard it touch the table yet, but it's just about to. Okay, now it is. So we have just a little bit more to screw in. Okay. Now, the fourth and final leg of the video too. And we're screwing it in. Okay. Just a bit. Try and get it as straight as possible. Straighter than I'm doing it if you can. Okay, there's the hole in the final leg. Screw in the hole and start twisting. At this stage, the leg is supposed to stand up by itself, see? And we are continuing to twist. Okay, just about finished. That was cheap. Hope it didn't scare you too much. Now I think it's touching. Yes, it's touching. So I'm just gonna align it. And now we have a finished black Ikea table. It's a pretty light table. And we decided we like this color. It also comes in a darker wooden color. Comes in black and white. Thank you for listening.